Team, we're gonna be doing some cheesesteak sandwiches on the new Ninja Foodi Pro XL Grill and Griddle coming up. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my kitchen. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, so what are we doing here, y'all? We're gonna bust out the griddle plate for the new Ninja Foodi Pro XL Grill Griddle. Man, that is a mouthful. Every time I say it, and I've done a few videos on it now, it's a lot. So I'm just gonna call it the Ninja Foodi Griddle for now. We're gonna do some cheesesteak sandwiches. Nothing crazy. We got some onions, got some peppers, a little bit of that shaved steak I've been using a lot lately in my cooks. I've bought out the store with these, and I'll put them in my freezer. Easiest, quickest steak for a meal you ever got. If I can find a link for it, I'll throw a link down below for Amazon. I know Amazon has groceries, so if you guys want to get you some of this stuff, it is really, really good. They don't pay me for it or nothing like that. I've never even talked to that company, but it's a really good steak and it's a really good option for a quick meal. All right, so whether you're on the stove or you're foodie, outside, on the griddle, whatever, it's a good mix. All right, so we're gonna use our griddle on that. We're gonna toast up our rolls first, and then we'll start getting that steak and the peppers on and start building that sandwich. We have provolone cheese. I do not dare say this is a Philly cheesesteak sandwich. This is just a cheesesteak sandwich. In Philly, they don't put peppers and onions on there. It's just steak and whiz or steak and provolone. We're just calling it a cheesesteak sandwich, all right? I don't want to offend anybody from Philadelphia. All right, the grocery list that you're gonna need for this one, you're going to need some hoagie rolls, that steak, provolone cheese, some sliced peppers, some sliced onions, a little bit of butter, the rolls that you're gonna toast up. I'm gonna use my Uncle Steve Shake Lucky Cow seasoning. I'll put a link for Uncle Steve Shake down below. Use what any all-purpose seasoning you wanna use. And I'm gonna use a little olive oil for the onions and peppers to get sauteed in. Not much more to this one. We're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna toast off the rolls real quick. After it's preheated, it's just easy to toast off the rolls, set those to the side, and we'll start sauteing our onions and peppers, a little bit of olive oil, just get them nice and soft and translucent. We're not trying to caramelize or make a big deal out of it. Just a quick cook on them. Then we'll get our meat on there, a little bit of cheese, build the sandwich, eat like a king. Just that simple, guys. Come on over to my Ninja Foodi Griddle station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get started. All right, Tim, we got it turned on. We're going to go to the griddle setting. I refuse to say barbecue griddle. 30 minutes is plenty of time. I'm gonna hit start. With the preheating process using the griddle, you're gonna get a little bit of quiet time, a minute or two of it preheating from the bottom, preheating that grill grate, and then the fan on the top is gonna kick on and preheat it all the way through from the top and the bottom, okay? So if you don't hear it kick on right away, just know that the bottom's starting to heat up first and then the fan will kick on for the top. I have, when this is ready to go, I have my bun already buttered up, ready to roll, so to speak. It's a hoagie roll, ready to roll. Oh, it killed me. All right, come on back. Okay, team, we're all heated up and ready to roll. Let's go ahead and toast off this bun for a couple minutes, and it'll get nice and golden brown, and then we'll get the peppers and everything else on. Okay, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and check our buns. Looking nice and toasty. Perfect. Let's get them off. Get them off. Now let's add a little olive oil. All right, get our veggies on. Get that olive oil mixed in with them a little bit. Gonna add a little salt over the top, help draw out that moisture. A little cracked black. All right, just let that roll. Peppers are looking good. Let's get the meat on. And add some of our Lucky Cow. seasoning in there. Do a little mix. This meat is gonna go super fast. Okay, team, time to get the provolone on, get this melting together. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, normally I'd mix the peppers in with the steak and all that, but being that this is a YouTube video, I want those colors kind of sticking out in the sandwich for that thumbnail, that picture you click on to watch the video. So I'm gonna leave those out and kind of place them on the sandwich, but normally I would mix them in. It's your choice how you wanna do it. I'm gonna shut this down, melt the cheese a little bit for about 30 seconds or so, and then we'll start building the sandwiches. All right, cheese is melted. Let's get this sandwich built. I'm gonna throw my bun on there, right in the middle. Use a little spatula here, pick it up, turn it over, burn the crap out of my thumb with that hot grease. Cheese going everywhere. Set that aside. Let's get some peppers on there. Those onions. Dang, that's looking good. Let's get this all cleaned up, and then we'll take a bite. Get going. All right, team, we're done. Got this beautiful sandwich right here. This is money in the bank. I know it's overused, but hey, I like it. All right, let's take a bite. Man, that's too good. Too good. Got that savory meat in there with that beautiful seasoning from Uncle Steve's Shake. Check it out. The onions and the peppers, I didn't overcook, so you still got some texture. Got that good flavor in there. The cheese obviously melts it all together, brings it all together. So good. And that nice soft roll. And these aren't like straight from the bakery, like I got them in the bread aisle, but these are my favorite rolls to use because they're so soft and they just kind of form around that meat, and it's so good. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this one. Listen, if you want to get yourself one of these new Ninja Foodi grill and griddles, hit the link down below to Ninja Kitchen. Again, it doesn't cost you anything more to use that link, but it helps out the channel. Get a very small commission and lets Ninja know I'm doing things for them. If you want to get some of the knives, the cutting boards, all the merch I use, cameras, whatever, there are Amazon links all down below. Make sure you check them out. If you want to become part of CJ's crew here for real on YouTube, hit that join button. Get your name at the end of every video. Be immortalized forever here on YouTube. But that is it for this one. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.